Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries PROTO-TRAK 3-axis CNC bed mill, model DPM SX3P, serial number 172DL1346. This machine was new in 2017. We're going to run it for you. Machine has the Southwest Industries PROTO-TRAK SMX control. It also has the programmable spindle speed control. That's 1,000 RPM. It goes up to 5,000 RPM. It's a 40 taper spindle with a power drawbar. 2,500? Yep, 2,500. Machine has the accordion style way covers. We're going up. 35? 3,500 RPM. Okay. Spindle brake, we're going into low gear.
100 in the low.
100 in the low. 300. Machine also has a 10 by 50 table with 31 inches of X travel, 17 of Y, and 23.5 of Z. That's your Z. Your Y, and your X. Also, when you move the quill, it does the math on the Z. You have 5-inch quill travel. You can see that the DRO changes, or the control changes when you move the DRO. So in manual mode, this machine, the control acts as a digital readout. Hey, so you've seen it all. Oh, by the way, the spindle horsepower is 5 horsepower. Thank you for watching our video.